This video shows how to record sick leave and annual leave for members of staff in MindaClient. Many companies use this feature. Some companies have the activities for sick leave and annual leave set as confidential so that the members of staff won't see it, only the administrators. To set activities as confidential, you can talk to MindaClient or watch the video that covers that. So to add in annual leave for a member of staff, from your dashboard, you click on Add Other Activity. It's another activity because it's not related to a particular client, it's just related to a member of staff. You select the activity type of annual leave. You select what date the person is going to be out. You can put in 8 hours of the day, and there's no need for any notes. It's defaulted as annual leave, and you add that activity in. Annual leave will generally be set to appear in the company dashboard. Many companies find it useful for staff to go in and see who's in and who's out and when their holidays are scheduled for. If you want to record annual leave for a number of days, you select Add Other Activities. You select Annual Leave. Because it's going on over a number of days, you select Recurring Activity. So then this new line for recurring activity, you select the date it starts, 2nd of June, and you say how frequently it's going to recur. So it's a daily recurrence, and it goes on until the end of that week. So you're going from the 2nd of June to the 5th of June. You can put in the 8 hours, and again, no need for comments. If you wish to, you can, and then you click Add That Activity. So a day's leave has been added for each day of the week that the particular user is on leave for. In relation to sick leave, it's the same principle. You click from your dashboard, Add Other Activities. Instead of annual leave, you're selecting sick leave. You select the date. You can also select the time. It may be somebody was out sick for a half day, so you could put in they were out from 2 p.m. for 4 hours. And of course, you select which member of staff that the sick leave is being recorded for, and you click Add Activity. That's recording sick leave and annual leave for staff. When you click on Other Activities from your dashboard, you can view the other activities, which will list all the sick leave and annual leave. And also from your dashboard, you can click on My Diary, and that will show the annual leave as the other activities are shown in orange instead of the normal blue for normal activities. That's adding sick leave and annual leave from your dashboard in MindaClient.